I'm Kelsey Kellam, and I graduated from Liberty High School, and I'm in heavy equipment operations. I chose Alfred because it was the most prestigious operating school in New York State. A lot of students graduated in my BOCES program and went on to Alfred State as seniors, and I got great feedback from each and every one of them. I like being able to operate minimal class time and just hands-on learning in general. So I tutor the heavy equipment freshmen, whether they just need some extra help or they just need a little bit more assistance to get their GPA up. I assist them in whatever they need, may it be projects, homework, or really anything they need. I'm in a sorority. I've made multiple friends and I found my community. And we do a lot of community service, so I'm involved in that around Alfred State College. And it's really just made me find my family. Alfred State has driven me to the career I've always wanted.